here's how we can attach SSD or microphone on an Android phone. Let's get started. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course, you can use the USB-C port on your phone. Most likely you have that. Like obviously older phones also have like the micro USB or some other ports, but with the USB-C, you have the ability to connect both the SSD storage or like in SD card or anything else, and also perhaps the microphone. So if you connect the storage, you can obviously find it inside of the files browser and you can browse the external storage right there. But some people perhaps might be confused on how you can use two of them at the same time. And for that, you will need to use an accessory. Like there is the sort of like USB-C splitter, which means that you basically kind of like connect one USB into the phone, but you have like two ways to connect them, right? So you basically split it and you can connect both of them at the same time. So if that is your goal, I believe that you will need to have that accessory ready. It's not like anything too expensive, but you will most definitely need to have it in order to connect both the microphone as well as SSD at the same time, if that's what you're going after. As I say, usually phones have one USB-C port, so you need to use this splitter. But if you want to use separately the microphone and SD or SSD card, right, then it's not really a problem because you can use it without any issue. So as I'm saying, if there is something else which you had in mind and I did not cover in this video, let me know about that below in the comments. But I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot, and I'm going to see you in the next videos as well.